Hello, mi gente. All right, move. All right, so this video, okay? Shh, quiet. This video is called the Ratchet Don'ts. Okay, and what I mean by Ratchet Don'ts is a makeup video for you ratchets. The don'ts. Mi gente. Okay, I'm gonna start off. This is me getting ready as a ratchet person. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys the mother effing don'ts. Okay, because you guys need to stop, and I'm tired of saying it. Okay. What? Okay. So, first of all, I'm going to start with the freaking, usually, you know, you have to moisturize your face, okay? Always try to moisturize your face. Shush it. First of all, moisturize your face whenever you're doing your makeup, before you do your makeup, okay? Okay. Alright, so I'm going to start off, because I don't have no, like, other shades with me. Espérate, Yariel. Okay? So, ustedes están oyendo esa bachatica que le tengo ahí, coño. Nobody does the fucking imaginary guitar like me, so don't try me. Don't try me because you will get burned. Alright, so since I don't have no other foundations, I'm going to actually use, as an example, my wifey's foundation, which she never uses, okay? Because she doesn't do her makeup. Espérense, me quítame los anillos. Okay. Ya, ahí. Easy. Mira, I'm going to use my wifey's foundation. First of all, stop using foundations that are not your damn color. I mean, if you guys want to try out what color you have, obviously, if I try this shit out, miren. Yariel, stop. Miren que ocurre esa vaina, right? So, if I try it on, see? Obviously, you guys can see it does not match my skin color. Sorry about the lighting. But that's what I'm going to do, okay? I'm going to use wifey skin thingy. Okay, vamos a ver. I don't know if you guys knew or not, but I apply my makeup with my fingers. Okay. So obviously, you can see this shit is not my skin color. Porque I'm looking, yo no sé si estoy pareciéndome ahora a un, ¿cómo se llama esta vaina? I'm looking like I got a tan. I'm looking like, shush. Shut it, boy. Shut it, boy. ¿Y qué pasa con la música? Espérense, que yo no puedo hacer videos sin música, espérense. Espérate, ya di el permiso. Okay, so, I'm looking like I got a tan. I'm looking like a Humpta Lumpta. ¿Cómo que se llama esa vaina? Humpty Lumpy. ¡Ay, coño! Ya di el permiso. Okay, so, first of all, if you can see, I'm not sure if you can see it. This does not match this. This does not match this. So, every time you put on your makeup, if you go to the mirror, you tienen un freaking crease aquí o alguna vaina. Two different colors? You got a problem, miss. You got a problem because it's not your skin color, okay? Go change it, my friend. If you guys need tips on that, let me know. I got you, boo. Okay, next thing. ¿Qué? Oh, ay, el concealer. Vamos a buscar el concealer. Stop exaggerating your damn concealer. Okay? Vea. You guys go and put like a white shade. You guys put 10 layers of concealer. Right? Se lo ponen así, ¿verdad? Mira. I hate the lighting here. Alright, you guys go and put like 10 pounds of concealer, right? Look at that. You know what you guys be looking like? Hot damn mess. Okay, miren. This is how you guys be looking like. And there's bitches that actually go out. ¿Verdad? Cállese. There's bitches that actually go out. And it's like, you can tell they're like glowing right here. Coño, mujer, eso demasiado. Quítate eso. Take it easy con Bobby. Okay? So, then, the next thing that you guys be doing, right? I know I'm talking mad fast, but I don't got the time for this shit, okay? So, mira, then the next thing you guys do, mira, se ponen el blush. ¿Dónde está el blush? ¿Dónde está mi blush? Mira, va a exagerar que el diablo. Vamos a ponerme un chin de blush aquí. ¿Verdad? Vamos a ponerme el blush, mira.
Whoa, your skin's so like red.
Mira, lo ponen, mira, mira. You guys, I know you're supposed to start up here, make your way here. Some of you bitches be putting that shit all the way down here for some reason, right? Mira. Ay, pero qué linda. Ay. Mira, lo ponen aquí atrás, ¿verdad? Mira. Ve.
You look horrible.
You guys, I don't need criticizers right now. I'm doing this for a reason, okay? I ain't trying to look cute.
To have fun.
Yeah, to have fun. Mira. Ay, pero... ¿Y esta mami? Ay, coño. Ustedes no saben nada. No, entonces... Ok, mira. So, después vienen y se ponen el powder, ¿verdad?
Ah.
El diablo. Why is this shit wet? What? Why is this shit wet? Alright, you guys. I don't know. For some damn odd reason. Espérate. ¿Y el mojado qué tal? I just dusted the shit out of myself with this. Ay, espérate que no puedo ni respirar. I don't know, the shit for some reason feels wet or something. Ay! Ay, Jesús! Oh my goodness. What the fuck? Okay, so the next thing you do, which is the biggest... Ay, Jesús. The biggest mother effing don't. Espérate, que yo necesito. I need to use concealer for this, right? Ay, espérate. I'm gonna cover my eyebrows.
Why?
I'm gonna cover my eyebrows, okay? Espérate.
Let's see.
No, because I'm gonna show these people something.
Why?
I'm gonna cover my eyebrows. Cover them like real good. Este concealer no me está funcionando. Espérense. Oh, I think I got a good concealer. I'm trying to cover my eyebrows so I can show you guys. This is my most la vaina que yo digo the most, like the biggest effing don't ever is with this shit. Los eyebrows. Ay, Jesús, do I got something for you, my friend? Do I have something for you?
I know you.
Ay, diablo. ¿Cuál es? Esta es mi canción. Espérate. Échense para allá. Let's use wifey's concealer. A ver si me funciona. What you laughing at?
You look so horrible.
Girl, chill. You don't know nothing. You don't know about this eyebrow stuff. Ay, Jesús, señores. Pero si yo le enseño esta vaina, ustedes miren. Oh my God, what do I look like? Well, this is what half of you bitches look like, okay? Espérate. So I'll stand up because I see, like, with the light you can see it more. Okay, so let's do my eyebrows. Alright. Check this shit out.
Mommy.
So chequen esta vaina.
Ew.
Some of you bitches exaggerate and bring that shit all the way here. Tell me no. Mira. Y se lo ponen mad skinny. Skinny as fuck right here. Check this. This is what you bitches be looking like. Mira. Daddy, espérate que you messing up my perfect eyebrows. Okay, miren. This is what you bitches be looking like. If you look like this, then you got a problem, my friend. Se la hacen mad long. For some reason, it reaches like down here. Ay, pero qué belleza, Dios mío. Oh my God, I look gorgeous. I try to cover my eyebrows, but you guys get the point. Se la hacen más flaquita que el diablo. You guys do this shit mad skinny right here. And then, like, what? Like, oh my God, why? ¿Por qué? ¿Por qué?
You don't even see anything.
I see it. They see it. Oh, trust me, they're gonna see that happen. Yep, look at that. Look at that. Oh, girl. Look at that contouring. Okay, so, para terminar el video, vamos a hacer la parte de el eyeshadow. You girls, I don't know what you guys be smoking, okay? Or sniffing, or what the fuck?
Like super,
But I don't know who told you that she looks cute, right?
Like
so, para eso yo voy a sacar. Miren esta vaina tan cute. I bought this shit at on Groupon. Like perfect. I love it. It's like for natural palettes. Hint natural. Natural. Okay, para eso voy a sacar mi Urban Decay, ¿verdad? Ay, yo voy a necesitar esto because I gotta use this shit. I gotta use this. Okay. Ay, voy a tener que cambiarle otra musiquita y vamos a ver. El olor. Alright, so this is what I be seeing you Ratchets doing, okay? And y'all need to stop, okay? Miren. You'll come, right?
Oh, what the heck? You left blue with those eyes.
Right? You'll come. Y vienen y se maquillan esta vaina all the way up here. All the way up here. Jariel, shush. Así, mira. You guys will come and do this, right? Like I said, you guys, I use my fingers. I don't use my thing. Call that Ratchet. I don't give a fuck. Look at all my shit. And my shit looking cute. Okay, bye. So, y'all come and color all of this up here. Ladies, whenever you use makeup, you don't have to color all the way up to the eyebrow. That's why you use a different type of shade, a lighter shade. You're supposed to see your damn eyebrow, okay? So, y'all come and do that. Right? Espérate. I'll do the other one because they even it out and shit. And even it out and shit. Dariel, cállese la boca ahí, muchacho.
You don't even see your eyebrows.
Oh, you could see the big ass eyebrows.
I don't.
Se me callan, por favor, que estoy concentrada. Yo voy a salir para el club tonight.
Look in the mirror.
Okay, another thing you guys do. Espérate. I gotta do this shit. Another thing you guys do. Vienen y el mismo freaking eyeshadow, right? The same color. Ay, coño. I know if you see this video, you're like, damn, really? Do I look like that? Bitch, yes, you do. Ay, tan linda, pobrecita. I'm the one to break it down to you. Ay, sorry, my friend. Mira, así. You come and do this shit. Ay, pero qué linda. Ay,
oh, my goodness.
I look hot. I don't know what you're talking about. Right? So then, the eyeliner. Ay, Jesús. There's another one. Miren. You come. Yeah, they can't even concentrate for this shit. Mira. Se hacen una línea más gruesa que el diablo. And sometimes some of you will even connect that shit to your eyebrow. Why? I don't know. Okay. Diablo, pero yo estoy más buena que... a mí va a haber que rifarme. A mí va a haber que rifarme. Porque las ladies se van a volver locas. Ay, pero a rifarme que van. Miren qué preciosura. Mira. Girl. Act like you know, girl. Okay? Oh, shit. I'm looking hot. I know it. You don't gotta tell me. I know it. You know it. I know it. You don't gotta tell me, because I know it. Another thing you guys do. The red lipstick. Oh my god, please, listen to me. You gotta watch out what you mix the red lipstick with. Don't be doing this type of eyeshadow and then using red lipstick. Porque te voy a dar una maldita galleta que te voy a mandar. Ni te voy a decir porque si te digo, you not talk to me no more. Okay? Okay. Okay, so me voy a poner mi pintalabio. Okay, yo me voy a poner mi pintalabio. ¿Qué tú miras? Vamos a ponerte otra musiquita ahí. Okay, so después el pintalabio rojo. Señores, por eso es que hay una línea aquí. ¿Ustedes ven esa línea? Miren. ¿Ustedes ven esa línea? Esa línea está ahí por alguna razón. No, algunas de ustedes vienen. You want to try to exaggerate your lips and shit. Daddy, don't touch. Alright. Ay, a ver. Especially the Dominican women. La vieja. Ay, coño, a la vieja le encantan ese pintalabios rojo. Ahí, mira. They'll bring that shit like below the lips. right? Like below the lips. Oh, girl, I'm hitting the club tonight, girl. I'm gonna get it poppin' up in this bitch. So yeah, girl, listen, girl. Yo voy para el club, loca, yo me voy a tirar para el club hoy, loca, y me voy a conseguir, pero un maldito macho, loca, que me va a poner a brincar. Me va a poner a brincar. Ay, 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 Hercules. That's what you girls be acting like. Oh my god, loca, porque yo necesito buscar un macho, loca. Alright, guys, so this is the ratchet look of the day. These are the don'ts. Oh, y la mascara. Ay, coño. I almost forgot the mascara, right? So for the mascara, you guys go and put mascara, right? And then you'll sometimes see like the mascara sprinkled, like where you'll miss a spot. Oops, I fucked up. Alright, guys. So this is the ratchet look of the day.
Stand up.
Miren que... Ay, pero qué belleza, Dios mío. Oh my god, I look so cute. This is what half of you bitches be looking like.
Mommy, why are you saying you look gorgeous?
I do look gorgeous. Miren. Ay, así es. Así es que se hace, loca. Si tú quieres aprenderte a hacerte esto, dímelo que yo te lo hago, loca. I got you, my friend, I got you. See?
Do that.
This is what most of you women be looking like. See? Matching here. Girl. Oh, I know. And then when you guys try to mix some shit up. No. I gotta do this. I got to do this. ¿Cuándo cogió? How about when you guys try to add some color? How about that? How about when you guys try to add some color? Elena, ¿qué color uso? Okay. No, let's use purple? Yeah, how about purple? Okay.
Oh, that looks so horrible.
You guys will leave that shit like halfway, right? No blending, no nothing. Así mismito se quedó la vaina. Ay, coño, pero yo estoy más sexy que el diablo. Hasta así, mira. And then you'll go, right? Because I'm a victim. I'm a victim for doing the duck lips, okay? Todo el mundo lo sabe. Cuando me ven en mi Instagram, ellos me ven que yo me veo. Julie, muéveme esa vaina de ahí. Ellos me ven que yo I do my whole little, you know, my duck lips. I do my duck lips all the time. I don't care. I do it all the time. Todo el tiempo ustedes me ven ahí. But you girls come and do all this hot mess and be like, ooh, ratchet. Girl, you so ratchet. Oh, no, y lo más chistoso es, señores, cuando la gente viene, right? When they come and they got eyebrows like this, and then they be posting shit about bitches that got eyebrows like this. Eso es lo más chistoso, señores. Le estoy diciendo que eso me lleva a mí a la loma. Ni a la loma. They go and they be posting shit about bitches with fucked up eyebrows. Señores, go fix your eyebrows first. Then you can talk shit. Okay? Bueno, señores. I hope you like my makeover. My Ratchet tag. What's it called? It's called Ratchet Makeup Tag Don't. Okay? And I'm out of here.
Can you do it to me?
Au revoir.
My name's Julie. This is my mom. She's gonna be doing a makeover on me.
Alright, so this is the Ratchet Part 2 Don't, the mini-me version. Okay, you ready, girl? You ready? Alright. So, I'm gonna do for you guys the Kim Kardashian Big Don't. Okay? Alright, girl, turn around, Turn around. What, daddy? Hold on, I'll be right there. Turn around, girl. Come on. I need a good customer, okay? You ready? Alright, let's do the damn thing. Okay. You ready? I gotta do your eyebrows too because we gotta show them how the eyebrows are did, okay? Okay. You ready? Turn around. Look at me. Alright, wait. Oh shoot, I just mixed it up with eye palette. So you got like blue eyebrows. Sorry, my friend. Sorry. Look.
Oh my goodness!
Espérate, I gotta do your eyebrows, Julie.
Oh my.
We gotta show them how to Ratchet do it, cause that's what makes us look hot. You ready, girl? Look at me.
Yeah.
Mírame. Ay, mama.
Oh my Jesus.
You look gorgeous, darling. Gorgeous. Gorgeous, darling. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Girl, Julie. Girls be doing this and thinking they're looking hot.
But I look horrible.
Right? Thank you. That's what I've been trying to say. Alright, so what do I need? Oh, okay, so we're doing...
fine.
Okay.
I look like I'm a dead zombie.
Okay, so whenever you do the dark...
I look even uglier than you.
The dark Kim Kardashian look, right? You're supposed to be focusing right here, mainly. On the corner of the lid, right? No. Some women just don't feel like that's enough. So they take up, right, the whole entire eye.
I did.
Oye, esa maldita bachata. Cierra. Right? Girl, you looking hot. I don't know what you acting scared for.
I am not scared. I look like a dead zombie.
You looking hot. Cierra los ojos, muchacha. Cierra. What are you saying?
Nothing.
Are you saying help me?
No.
Mira, muchacha.
I'm not.
Alright, so you guys don't think that that's enough. So you guys will get this shit right here. Sube para arriba, muchacha. Mira para arriba. Se ponen el negro aquí abajo también. Diablo, qué mami.
Oh my goodness.
Qué mami. Right? Girl, you looking hot. I don't know what you acting scared for.
I look so horrible.
You looking fly. No, déjate de eso. You looking fly. Alright? So
do I look fly? That means pretty. No. Yes.
Yes. Baby.
Yes. I don't look pretty.
And then whenever you guys do this, you guys will try to do the burgundy lipstick.
Oh.
Ay, qué belleza.
Ay,
I'm so proud of you. I'm so proud of you. You look just like your mommy. You look just like your mommy, mommy.
It's not even on my lip.
It's on your lip.
It's all over my face.
It's all over your face. Because that's how these Ratchet hoes be doing it.
It looks like there's red on my teeth.
Oh, there's some on your teeth, right? Yep, they be doing that too. Aye.
My grandma does that.
Yeah.
What? She does? She puts it all over her teeth.
¿Y de dónde tu abuela?
I don't know.
¿De dónde tú eres, Julie?
And where? No, like,
Pero que de dónde tú
where
eres.
Daisy?
Exactamente, pero ¿de dónde tú eres?
She's from Santo Domingo.
From where?
Santo Domingo.
Ay, Jesús, I'm telling you, the Dominican women putting these red lipsticks y después se lo ponen hasta en los dientes.
Dominican Republic.
Dominican Republics?
Yeah.
Republic, girl. Alright, so that's it, girl. You're done your makeover. Pose. Do the pose. Dale.
Come on.
Come on, we gotta do it. Oh, girl, kill it.
I don't want to be doing this.
Alright, so we're done. We're done. Yep, that's what I'm talking about. The Ratchet video. The Ratchet.
Me.
The Ratchet don't.
You're a boy.
The Ratchet don't. Okay? The Ratchet makeup don't. Chica, 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 chica. Ven acá, miren. Este sexy daddy que quiere salir en el video. Y este papi chulo.
I love car, but I don't want to stay like this. I want to be like you and my. No, it's not good. No.
Deuces.